What is up, guys? It's another unboxing thing. Loot unboxing. Some nice loot. My waifu got me some early Christmas presents. Let's see what we get. Hopefully no duplicates. We still need some things. We still need Illidan, Tarandi, Soldier, Pharah, Tracer, and Goblins. Why not? Why the hell not? And in the first box, I'm so excited. You just can't hide it. I'm about to be a nerd and I think I like it. Yeah! We don't have it! Ooh! Take a look at the Gracious Goblin. Wait, let me get that thing off his back. Ooh, this one's so cute! Look at him! And he's also losing the coins out of his bag. That is awesome. Let me get his pedestal out. I always hate ripping this thing. Makes me feel like a real fifty pussy because I can't open a freaking bag. Look at what I've done. It's still not out. Blizzard. Can't you make it more easy? How do I put this guy? I guess I just put him like that. So another one to the collection that we don't get. I'm gonna make a lot of noise. Who cares? Next one. Give me something good. 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 Oh, yes! Yes! Still no duplicates. Oh my freaking god. And this one's amazing. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you serious? This guy's amazing. I really enjoy Illidan. I think he's one of like the coolest characters. I haven't played really WoW to know lore and stuff, but look at this. Like the blades are gonna be a little bit weird because of the green screen, but you can definitely check him out. What have I stumbled upon? Hello, Coaster46. How's it going? Oh, not this thing again. You have stumbled upon a nerd that got presents from his wife, who was out shopping. Yeah, that's a thing that we do on this channel from time to time. Also, you stumbled upon a Hearthstone player. But let's place Illidan over here. Wait. How am I supposed to put him? This has no... Wait. That's stupid. That is real stupid. Is there a way I can... Oh, you have to... Motherfucker. You have to turn the blades. You actually have to turn the blades because you can't really place him on the pedestal otherwise. I was afraid of breaking him. Cool. Can you like take them off completely? Because this looks weird for me. Yes, you can. So I believe you have to turn them around because they were actually put upside down. And he's holding his fist like this. That's not how you fight. You fight like this with the armor up. Now we actually have that above. So let's get his other hand out and turn it around. Turn around when possible. Maybe I have to exchange hands. Is that a thing that I should do? No, that's definitely not a thing I should do. This is the correct way to assemble him. He looks a little bit weird, his hand placement, but that's Illidan. And it's awesome. So I'm missing just a couple of things from Series 2. Sweet! Still not sure if this is correct. There. Now it's more correct. I guess. Thanks, honey! Well, you want me to take out the chroma key? I can do that. I can take out the chroma key and show you all of them, if that's a thing that you feel like is worthwhile. Going once for chroma key out and show off? Nope. Hope you guys enjoyed that then.